Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to use the 10BII Financial Calculator app, which is designed for students, professionals, and investors who want fast answers on finance problems because it covers everything from time value of money, amortization, cash flow, interest conversions, bonds, and depreciation to statistics and break-even analysis with built-in worksheets. So instead of punching endless formulas by hand, you can solve mortgage payments, loan comparisons, and investment returns in seconds. Plus, it gives you memory registers and quick toggle functions to save your work, which makes it especially handy for business school or certification exams. And main tip is to practice with the time value of money keys because once you master NIPV, PMT, and FB, you unlock most of its power while also exploring the cash flow sheet for IRR and NPV. So overall, the 10BII app is simple yet professional and a great tool to keep on your phone if you are serious about finance. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick reviews and tips.